Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Ebi Nigirizushi. It's a very popular and typical sushi menu in Japan. My daughter loves Ebi sushi, so whenever she orders a sushi meal, she swaps everything into Ebi. That's how much she likes. What is your favorite sushi? Let me know in the comments field. In this video, I will show you how to cook shrimp, prawn for sushi, and in the end of the video I will show you how to make it into Ebi Avocado Sushi with onion slices. It's a very popular creative sushi menu in Japan which you can find at many sushi restaurants. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients to make sushi shrimp. Whiteleg shrimp is perfect for sushi shrimp. Put through bamboo skewers along the legs to straighten the shrimp. Put water in a pot. Add salt, then bring to a boil. Cook the shrimp for about 3 minutes. Stop the heat and leave to cool in the cooking water. Meanwhile, let's make sushi rice. Using rice vinegar is the best, but some other vinegars will do. The vinegar and sugar amount is up to your preference. And a half teaspoon of salt. Mix well. If the sushi vinegar is not mixing well, you can microwave for a few seconds to mix well. Now add into hot cooked rice. Slice through the rice using a rice paddle, then let cool. Form into an oval shape for nigiri, we call it shari. When the shrimp is completely cool, peel from the triangle part of the tail, leaving the tail. Cut the stomach side to the back until you reach the vein, but be careful not all the way through. Slowly take out the bamboo skewer, do not pull out because it will break the shrimp. Open up wide. If the shrimp is not perfectly deveined, you can wipe off or wash lightly. Place it on top of sushi rice, shari. And now it's done! And last but not least, Ebi Avocado Sushi. Like regular sushi, dip in soy sauce or wasabi soy sauce to eat. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Ebiの尻尾取らなきゃまず。尻尾。おいしい。
美味しいね。大きいでしょ。